What's up guys, here's your UK weather report on a storm update. A new weather warning has been issued for rain and wind with the definitions for them now. On multiple different weather apps, you can see there is a squall line that should be arriving tomorrow, probably bringing the thunderstorms, and there is a bit of snow mixed around in it. As you can see right now, the pink/purple is snow. Also, a weather watch has been issued. This is where they are set. This is the definition, the keyword being squalls. Here is another look at Thursday, pink being snow, but there is a lot of heavy rain, low pressure comes along, and yeah. The storm kind of dies down until Sunday when a lot more rain comes. The weather now, we are out the big rain band for today on Wednesday. It's pushing away from us. Luckily, I'm going to show you the weather right now. But the storm isn't over because it's going to come and it's going to hit us tomorrow and it'll be calm until Sunday. The thunderstorms are already pushing closer to the UK as thunderstorms are starting in Ireland. As you can see, they are pushing towards the UK. And in a couple more days, when the possible squall line hits, we should be getting thunderstorms. As you can see, it's showing the rain/squall line pushing towards the UK with all the thunderstorms. Thanks for watching. I appreciate if you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye guys.
2, 1.